Alright, Eric Johansson here. This is a quick screencast to show everybody how to post on our Google My Business page. And of course, if you have access to your own Google My Business page, all the same instructions apply. So, first thing you want to do is sign into your Gmail account, whichever Gmail account or email account, but typically it's going to be a Gmail account that's associated with your Google My Business page. And then go to this menu here in the upper right hand corner, click on it, go to the More button, and then you'll see My Business. Go ahead and click on that. And then what you're going to see, and mine takes a little time to load up because I've got a bunch of GMBs in this account. And you'll probably most likely only have one or two. So give me a moment, let me scroll and find our Fully Business Networking page. Alright, and it is right here. So once you find the page, you just click on it. And then you can either post by either clicking on this Create Post or over here, and that'll show you all the posts. And then you just click right here and start writing your post. You can add a picture. If you want to create an event, the event might be for your business or it might be for the business, our business networking group. Either way, but if you just want to create a post and talk about your business and your relationship with Fully Business Networking, that'd be great. The key here is to use relevant keywords to either your business or our networking group, such as referral marketing or business networking, that kind of thing. And if you need help with any of that, just get with me. I'll try to create some resources for keywords that people can use. But the primary thing here is to promote your business, but also show the relationship between your business and our networking group to try to just help drive traffic to the group and then create exposure for yourself. So that's really it. Write your post, put a picture. I'd always recommend putting some kind of a picture. It could be a picture of you, it could be a picture of your business, something of that nature. And then there's some options down here. You can add buttons such as, but usually, all of this stuff is pretty much you'd be connecting it to a third-party service that would integrate. So, most of you aren't going to be using any of that. So anyway, when you get done writing your post, it's 100 to 300 words. And again, it's going to expire in approximately 7 days. So anyway, when you get done with all that, then just hit your publish button, and that's all you need to do. So that's it. If you got any questions, give me a call, 251-656-9231. Thanks.